Yes.
Good morning. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving.
Love you to the moon,
love you
babies.
too. I was just about to come up there, just doing an intro. Hello everyone. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you guys are having a very healthy and safe Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are spending it with the people that you love. I know this year has been really hard for every single one, but I just hope that this time next year that Miss Rona is basically gone, so that way everyone will be able to fully spend time with their families and loved ones during the holidays without having to wear a mask or having to be 6 feet apart or spending it through Zoom, because Zoom is just, oh my goodness, it's not for everybody. I'll just say that. It's not for everybody. It's not for every family. I am very thankful that my family has been healthy and safe. We had a lot of near-death experiences with my family this year, more than usual, and I'm just happy that they are all okay and they're all safe and they're all healthy right now. I'm also very thankful for my fur babies. Oh my god, I love them so much. Okay, so what are we doing in here?
Cooking. We cooking. We chefing.
Is this all the options you have to, is this all the stuff you have to cut? Onions, celery, garlic, green onions, and cheese?
Yes.
Beans are doing a rapid soak because we forgot to soak them last night. Whose fault is that? And then we have our greens that are soaking in water and a little bit of lemon to kind of break down the dirt because we had to buy organic greens. We're bringing our pie dough to, yes, pre-made pie dough. We're bringing that to room temperature. Our butter is to room temperature. Our eggs is to room temperature. Father is currently dicing all of my veggies for my meals. And once he finishes that, then we will begin to cook our meals. In the oven here.
My mom just texted Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Mom. And then in here we have our sweet potatoes roasting. Roasting on a fire. That's chestnuts, huh?
Yeah.
But the sweet potatoes right now are roasting for our sweet potato castro souffle.
So I'm about to go fix me some breakfast and I'm going to watch the Thanksgiving parade. I think I'm probably the only person that still watches it. I
saw the commercial again.
Oh, the same one? About loves?
Oh, I know you can say that.
No, you can say I just cut it out. Or just
Okay,
leave it.
yeah.
About the loves?
Yeah.
The 4 different type of loves?
Yeah, they start showing it again.
Well, you know, we have the float and the Thanksgiving. So I want to watch it mainly because my company has a float in the parade again. You want to watch the parade with me while you wait? Fine, and I have my doggies to watch it with me.
I want over again. you all the time, baby. You make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine.
Yeah, what are you doing? What is that? What is that? Okay.
Mom, do we put the rum inside the cheese sauce as well?
That's what you want? You can have your own. That's what you want.
I need you to focus on this.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
tastes like simple syrup. Terrible. Terrible.
I like
Really?
it.
You think it's sweet?
Yeah, super sweet.
It's a medium
missing that
sweet.
fizz. Terrible. You like that?
Yeah, that's good.
See, you're a wino. You like everything. Show the wine, the bottle of wine that you're going to be trying.
I'm gonna be trying Robert Bale Wine Yards Black Chicken Zippendale 2018. No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I kind of get like a buttery taste to it.
Yeah. I don't know what taste I got, but no thanks. What is going on, Jazz?
I'm trying to get a thumbnail
Oh, what?
for this video. Okay, you gotta. There we go. Just hold it straight. Hold it straight.
This is hot. Like, just opening it. Your hands stop burning.
Hey everyone, so special package just came in and I'm so excited. I'm wearing it right now. I can't wait to show you guys. But I got the Vlogmas sweatshirt from Alicia because I'm doing Vlogmas this year and I really like it a lot. I'm sweating so much because we had the heater on. I have a long sleeve underneath this. This is very warm. So I got the sweatshirt and also the sweatpants. So this is what the sweatshirt looks like. It says Vlogmas and then it says December 1st, 20 all the way to December 25th. And then the sweatpants just says Vlogmas right here. These are actually pretty baggy. I'm not used to having baggy sweats, but they're nice.
I didn't get pants.
I didn't know you wanted pants.
I know, they would be too long.
Yeah, they're pretty baggy. Yeah.
Oh.
So I called this meeting to talk about some Vlogmas ideas. This is going to be the 4th year of Vlogmas. Last year I completed the whole 1 to 25 days. I can't say the same for this year. Okay, go.
Alright, it's a wrapping competition. We're gonna wrap one of the dogs in wrapping paper and see how long it takes the dog to get out of that wrapping paper.
That right there is a stupid idea. Free Jack. Alright, Jamie, go.
Oh goodness. Put on the spot. I don't have nothing yet, but I'll come up with 2 ideas on my next turn.
I got another idea.
Alright, let's hear it.
Two-legged races. We should tie him to the dog's legs and have them all ready.
Why does this all involve the dog?
Free Jack.
I saw one YouTuber, I don't know if this is practical, but he bought 100 gifts for his house, for people that live in his house, in the little content house.
This is not a content house.
But I'm just saying, it's 100 gifts. But not all of the boxes is it's all wrapped up, but not all the boxes have gifts in it. And some of them have pieces of paper where you have to do something, whatever the paper says.
Oh, the deer.
Stuff that paper said, jump in the pool, you have to go jump in the pool.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Alright, I got it. I got an idea.
Okay, go.
So,
Free Jack.
we make
Move along.
we make Christmas drinks, right? And it's a guessing game. You make 3 different Christmas drinks.
Oh, Christmas
And you can
cocktails.
have a list of which one, and you gotta guess which one is which.
Alright, how about this? Instead
Oh,
of,
wait. No.
Instead of
Wait, we gotta see if we're gonna take that one. Are we taking that one, Jazmine?
Yeah, I like
she's
that
writing it
idea.
down.
I know it.
Okay.
Carry on.
Alright, instead of Secret Hitler, we play Secret Santa.
Oh, that is so cute.
No,
Oh my
Secret
God, did
Santa.
somebody kill Santa?
I mean, I guess you could in the
Or
game.
Santa's gonna kill somebody?
No, instead of Secret Hitler, it's Secret Santa.
Yeah, but
That's
isn't the purpose you gotta find out who
But
killed Hitler?
I don't know.
Yeah.
So we gotta find out who killed Santa. Oh my God.
No. So someone is in the Secret Hitler game. Someone is Hitler. The goal is to figure out who Hitler
Oh,
is
okay.
and possibly kill him.
Oh! We gotta find Santa to to
You're
kill
gonna
him?
kill him. Maybe he's
No,
an
no, you
imposter.
don't want to kill him. Maybe you want to get his autograph or give him your Christmas.
No, you want to kill him.
Grinch. It could be Grinch.
But
it could be the Grinch.
we need,
it could be the
It could
Grinch.
be the Grinch. We need one more person though. We would need one more person. to play
Jimmy, you
that.
always come with these extra people like we got additional people in our family.
Just saying. Nah, just saying. It says you have to play with at least 5 people. We could try to play with 4.
Well, I think this is good enough as like a starter, you know.